Hey, it's Molly from Just a Little Creativity. I want to show you how I made hanging bird feeders using 2 plates and 2 plant baskets from the thrift store. The plant baskets were originally from Dollar Tree and the plates were from Pier 1. The first thing I did was set up a pole between 2 chairs to hang the baskets so they could get a good coat of white spray paint.
5 minutes later.
Note to self, next time you decide to spray paint, make sure it's not going to downpour on you. I rushed to move the chairs with the baskets inside the barn, and they were actually fine in there. It gave them a place to dry overnight before I moved on to the next step. I found a bag of 20 crystal chandelier beads on Amazon that I used to hang between each section on the basket. The tops were really soft, really pliable, so I was actually able to just kind of lay the metal top of the crystal bead over and bend it all the way down. The last thing you really need to do is set the plate in the bottom of the basket. You make sure it's level, and then you add your birdseed. I hung one of mine on my front porch, and I hung the other one out in the magnolia tree in our front yard. And as you can see, the little birds love it. You can find printable instructions for this and other projects on the blog at justalittlecreativity.com, where you can also subscribe to join our email list where you'll have access to our free printables library. Hope to see you there.